Vision. Vision to be leading rice milling and sales corporation in Nara, Palawan, ensuring food security and economic growth through innovative, sustainable, and efficient rice production and distribution. This vision to aims to position the company as a leader in the rice milling industry in Nara while focusing on sustainability and innovation. It emphasizes the company's roles in contributing to the local economy and food security, which are key concerns in agricultural communities like Nara. Mission Mission is to provide high quality, affordable rice to the people of Nara and nearby regions by optimizing local rice production, adapting cutting-edge technology, and fostering partnership with local farmers, all while ensuring a sustainable and environmentally responsible operation. These missions outlines how the company plans to achieve its vision by focusing on quality, affordability, and collaboration with local farmers. It also highlights the use of technology and environmental and responsibility, which are critical for long-term success and sustainability in the agriculture sector.
For the management and technology, we will establish the company acquired milling equipment and secure contact to the local farmers. For the staffing, align with management structure initially with a key role in operation, finance, and sales. For the operation, we will focus on building strong relationship with the farmers and streamline supply chain operation to reduce costs. Sales strategy. We will launch here in Nara and surrounding region, targeting both individual buyer and block purchase by retailers. For the technology, we will invest a modern rice milling machine with high efficiency and low operational costs. And we will also implement software solution for inventory, sales, and financial management. And also we will also exploring renewable energy operation for sustainable and long-term cost savings. And we will regular upgrade our machine and train our staff for to ensure peak operational efficiency. And that's all for the management and technology.
Internal analysis SWOT. Based on the assumption of available resources and personal willingness. Strength, access to local rice farmer, reducing raw material costs. Knowledge of the local market and needs in Nara. Personal willingness to invest advanced milling technology for higher efficiency. Strong community ties helping to establish trust with farmers and consumers. Weaknesses: limited initial capital for large scale investment, lack of experience in large scale. Corporate management: dependence on local farmer for supply which may be inconsistent due to weather or other factors. So, the opportunities: growing demand for locally produced rice in Nara and nearby areas. Possibility of reporting rice to other regions or countries. Government support for agricultural business, including possible grants and subsidies. Technological advancements in milling equipment that can increase efficiently. So the threats is competition from established rice mills in Palawan and other regions. Fluctuation in rice price and production costs. Natural disaster affecting rice production. Changing government regulation on agricultural.
Macro analysis, PISTEL, political. The Philippines government support agricultural ventures and there may be grant tax incentives or subsidies for rice mill. Economic Nara is heavily agricultural and rice is a staple product ensuring consistent demand. However, economic downturns could reduce purchasing power affecting prices. Social rice is daily staple in Filipino diets and a local affordable supply would be highly valued by the community. Technological advancement in milling technology could increase productivity and reduce cost, but initial investment may be high. Environmental rice farming heavily affected by weather conditions and climate change, which could impact supply. Sustainable practices will be essential. Legal local regulation around the agricultural production and environmental impact could affect operation. Microanalysis further 5 forces. Threat of new entrants. Moderate there may be barriers to entry due to the capital investment required, but with support from local farmers, competition can be managed. Bargaining power of supplier. Moderate local farmers are key suppliers, but forming long-term partnership could reduce their bargaining power. Bargaining power of buyers. High buyers can easily switch to cheaper rice provider, making cost leadership crucial. Threat of substitutes. Low rice is a staple food with no cross substitutes in the local market. Industry rivalry. Moderate existing competitors will be try to undercut prices or provide higher quality, but a cost leadership strategy will be allowed to stay competitive.
Strategy. Chosen strategy, cost leadership. The cost leadership strategy focuses on becoming the lowest cost producer in the industry, which allows the company to offer competitive price while maintaining profitability in the case of rice milling and sales corporation. This strategy is appropriate because rice is a staple commodity and price is major competitive factor. By optimizing operation, investing efficient technology, and forming partnership with local farmers, the business can reduce costs. Selling rice at lower price than competitors while maintaining quality will attract a large market share, especially in a price-sensitive market like Nara.
About Kamay rice milling and rice for supplier, projected opportunities and challenges. Projected opportunities, expanding operation neighboring municipality and regions. Government agricultural programs may offer funding or technical support. Potential for diversification into rice by products such as bran or rice husk for animal feed or bioenergy. Growing demand for organic and specialty rice varieties. Challenges: sorting consistent rice supply from farmers, especially during off-season. Managing factory rice price and production costs due to external factors. Weather-related risks impacting rice production in Palawan. Competitors offering lower price or better milling technology.